got off the Skytrain here at the BTS station at Nut, and that was the top floor. We're about 3 or 4 stories up. You can see the street level down there. The Skytrain here in Bangkok is very elevated, so you avoid all the traffic of the city streets, and it gets you from point A to point B very quickly with ice cold air conditioner and very, very affordable fares. I just took the BTS Skytrain for one stop just now. I think the fare was under 30 baht, which is less than $1. But even if you take it longer distances, it's still very affordable. So I want to show you 2 important things about the BTS stations. At every BTS station, before you exit the turnstiles, there's a map that shows you which exits you want to take. It's very difficult to cross this main road. In fact, it's almost impossible. So you want to exit on the correct side of the street. This is the south side and this is the north side. So we're going to go look for exit 3 or 1. And we're going to exit on the north side of the street. We're going to exit using our BTS Rabbit card, which I just loaded with more value this morning. And so that's important to know which exit you want to get off. Otherwise, you're going to have to come back up through the station and cross over the pedestrian crosswalk. So when you go through the turnstiles, you always want to make sure you look for a green arrow, not the red X. Like those are red X's and that's under maintenance. You don't want to go out there. And once you scan your card on this little card reader right here, it's going to show you over here what value you have left. So let's go ahead and do it. We've got 100 and something value left. I didn't see it, but you got to go through quickly, otherwise it'll close and then you have to scan it and pay again. So we're going to go to exit 1, which is right there, and that'll get us off on the south side of, the north side of the street. They also have these very handy BTS and MRT maps throughout every station. The BTS is the Skytrain system. We're on this line right here at the Nut station. We're going grocery shopping this morning, and you can see all the connections to the metro, also called the MRT. That's the underground. So the BTS Skytrain is above ground, very elevated, 3 or 4, sometimes 5 stories high. And the metro is the MRT. I'll show you another metro line right here. The purple line over in northwest Bangkok. So those are all underground. So that gives you a really good overview. The metro system, both the BTS and the MRT, are very easy to use here in Bangkok. Check out my other videos, how to buy a metro token or a BTS token or a BTS card like this. If you want to avoid the kiosks, to get a token,